Hey, are you tired of those pesky recurring charges silently eating away at your bank account? You know, the ones for that streaming service you haven't watched in months or the gym membership you forgot you had? In today's video, we'll show you how to take back control of your finances and cancel those unwanted subscriptions with ease using the Rocket Money app. First things first, let's get you set up. You'll want to have the Rocket Money app downloaded and your bank accounts linked. Once you're all connected, navigate to the Recurring tab. On the mobile app, it's a calendar icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll see a list of all your detected subscriptions and bills. This is where Rocket Money's magic happens, as it automatically identifies these charges for you. Scroll through the list and find the subscription you want to pause or, in this case, cancel. Tap on the three dots to the right of the subscription. A menu will pop up with a few options. Here you'll select Cancel Service. Rocket Money's a little different than other apps. It doesn't have a pause feature, but it helps you cancel your subscriptions so you can stop paying for them entirely. The app will ask for some basic information, like your name and billing address, and then Rocket Money will take it from there. For premium members, Rocket Money's concierge service will reach out to the company on your behalf to cancel the subscription. It's a game changer. No more waiting on hold or navigating confusing websites. For free users, Rocket Money will provide you with clear, easy-to-follow instructions on how to cancel the subscription yourself. While it's a little more hands-on, the app still saves you a ton of time and hassle by giving you all the information you need in one place. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.